Well, good morning. Sorry about that. Uh, about 9:30, Monday, October 28th, 2024. We had a bunch of people for being so slow. Again, having people just wandering the building all night. Yeah, some nights it's just like that. Anyway, it is what it is. Hope everybody had a good day. Anyway, this is William Williams, Philippines, and I was busy last night. Had one of the girls show up. They was making tamales, and they had leftover tamale fillings. I wish they'd have brought some of the tamales too, but the tamale fillings were good. I didn't have anything to put them on, so I just toasted up some bread and threw tamale fillings on it. So I had tamale fillings, sandwiches. It was actually pretty good. I don't know about you, but good food. And then got back here and just finished having some chicken legs and some french fries. I like that air fryer thing. Probably going to have to get me one when I get over there. It's too big to try to drag over there with me. It is what it is. But yeah, eventually I'll have to find a place to do that. I'm winded. Run this morning. Had people showing up to check out all through my breakfast time. And then I had a couple that were just standing in the way. The work crew might make me actually have to work a lot, but they don't get in my way when I am working. Yeah. It's okay. One of these days, I might need to have an accident. Spill something on somebody. Oops. Yeah. I won't do it. But some days it really does seem like it'd be a lot of fun to do. I'm up to 194 subscribers. Thought I'd hit 195, but I guess I lost one. And I've been looking at lenses. The ones I got are more long range. I was thinking about trying to find something short range and wide angle. I know they have them. I want to talk to the lady down there, see what they got there, and find out. I don't know. I was looking on Amazon, and they got some on Amazon too. I'm just not sure which type I gotta get. I think I got an idea, but haven't figured that out yet. Hazard of eating when I get home is, I get home and what do I want to do? Eat and go to sleep after it. And today I'm actually got a full belly and I really do want to go to sleep. Yeah. Be working up there on Thursday night, Halloween. Girl wanted to confirm with me about that today. So, yay. I like getting overtime. The hazard is you don't have as much time off and you don't get things done during the week. Hey, it's okay though. I need the overtime. Always. Yeah, I'm tired. My feet hurt. Too much running today. Trying to keep up with everybody. But hey, it is what it is. And I'm still having that, what do you call it, the thing they clipped off or banded off. Yeah. It's still there. Everything still feels crossways. Hopefully it'll go ahead and disappear today or tomorrow. Day after. Then I get to go and do it again. Not this week, but next week. Yay! It is what it is. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a blessed day. And that you're getting to,
This is Audible.
Yep, sorry. One of the Audible books I was listening to as I was walking. Yeah, I like listening to something while walking. And that's a good thing. Probably try to download a couple to listen to while flying to the Philippines. Just saying. Put those in and have them go into my hearing aids and go to sleep. I can always listen to it again to fill in the spots that I slept through. That's a good thing. Dang. And I got a bunch of books from Audible. I gave up my subscription about 2 years ago, trying to save money. But I still got books. I'll try to download them. Well, I've got some that are downloaded. I just got to remember which one I want to listen to. It is what it is. Gosh. I'm fighting to stay awake here, folks. Anyway, I don't know about y'all, but I'm going to call it a day. I got a full belly, and that's a good thing. And I'm going to try to figure out some more on that camera. Trying to find a little HDMI adapter, goes from large to small. I've got one somewhere here. Maybe I can find it and figure out how to. We'll see. Anyway, I need to get some sleep. Because, well, we punish kids by telling them to go to sleep. And then we get old and we want to go to sleep. Now it'd be like, oh, please send me to bed. Send me to sleep. Yeah, I think the world's backwards. We should keep the kids awake and have adults go to sleep. Anyway, this is William from Williams, Philippines. I hope everybody's having a good week, that your work week is an easy one. I know this has been a bit of a ramble this morning. Yeah. Tired, full, and I need snore time, so I hope everybody has a good one. This is William from Williams, Philippines, and I'm Fish. Fish is out.